Hello, today we will discuss partnership admission. In that, first we will discuss calculation of new profit sharing ratio, new PSR. So, question number 1, here two partners A and B were there. A and B are there, who are sharing their ratio into 3:2. 3:2 means this ratio we can convert in fraction. So how we can, this total is 5. So fraction, this will be of A and this will be of B. So A will get 3 upon 5 and B will get 2 upon 5. So this will be treated as their old PSR, old profit sharing ratio. So they have admitted a new partner C. They have admitted new partner C for 1 upon 6. You see, when in fraction or in ratio we talk about one profit. So previously it has 5 parts and 3 upon 5 part was A and 2 upon 5 part was of B. This was their ratio. This was the profit they were sharing. So when C comes, what happens? C gets 1 upon 6. C gets 1 upon. Naturally, now A and B will be here. A and B will remain here. So how their ratio, their portion has been taken by C. Naturally, they have sacrificed. Their ratio has been reduced. So A and B will sacrifice, and C will gain 1/6. They will sacrifice 1/6 and C will get 1/6. So how it happens? So this total profit is 1. Total profit is 1. So out of this 1/6 has been taken by the C. So remaining how much? Here we will take LCM 6. So here 1 is hidden. So it becomes 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 upon 6 is remaining. This 5 upon 6 A and B will take in their old ratio. Means A will now get 5 upon 6 into 3/5 and B will get 5 upon 6 into 2/5. So their new ratio will be 3/6 and 2/6. So now their A and this was their old ratio. Now A will get 3 upon 6, B will get 2 upon 6 and C will get 1/6. Okay, so new new PSR, profit sharing ratio, will be 3:2:6. This portion we used to leave because this represents the total. This represents total. 3:2:1:6. So this represents the total. This portion numerator we leave, only in this portion we are taking 3:2:1. We will take numerator will take and denominator we will leave. So this is your answer. Okay, now we will go to the question number 2. This is the ratio. When one profit is there, we reduce it from 1. The new partner share, remaining share, this is remaining, this we distribute. And what about the sacrifice? When nothing is mentioned, that C is taking his share from whom? So sacrifice will be always their old ratio. So here sacrifice ratio will be equal to 3:2 because it is not mentioned in the question. C is gaining from who? When it is not known, old ratio is always, it is sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio. In this case, when it is not mentioned. Okay. Question number 2. A, B, C are partners in a firm, sharing ratio into 3:2:1. A, B and C are partners, and their ratio is 3:2:1. Means 3 to 5, 1, 6. So 3/6, 2/6 and 1/6. This ratio always you make it in the fraction. It is better. 1/6. They admitted D for 10%, and D is coming for 10%. Okay. So when it is percentage wise, then what we will do? D is coming for 10%. So always profit will be 100%. 100%. So out of this 100, 10% is taken by D. How much remaining? 90% is remaining. So remaining share equal to 100 minus 10 equal to 90%. This 90% will be divided among these three. So A will get 90 into 3/6, 45. B will get 90 into 2/6 is equal to 15 to the 30, and C will get 90 into 1/6 equal to 1/6 equal to 15, and D will get 10%. D will get 10%. So D will get 10%. Okay, D will get. So A, B, C, D. So their new ratio will be A, B, C, and D. A is here. We will write it in this way. So their new ratio is A is to B is to C is to D. A is to B is equal to 45 is to 30 is to 15 is to 10. You can reduce it how much, as much as it is possible. So by 5 we are dividing. Divide by 5. So it is 9, 6 is to 3 is to 2. Further common is not there, so you cannot reduce. So this is their new ratio, new PSR. Okay. And always sacrifice ratio we calculate with the help of old ratio, old PSR minus new PSR of the existing partners, of old partners, old PSR, old partner, and their new PSR we reduce, and this sacrifice ratio we get. Here in question they are not asking, so we are not going in the calculation portion. Just I told for your further information. Now question number 3 on 3 we are going. Question number 3. X and Y are partners. X and Y are partners, and their ratio is 5:3. They admitted Z, new partner Z, for 1/10, which he acquired equally from X and Y. This portion he acquired equally from them. Means we have to bifurcate it. So divided equally. Equally means you have to multiply by 1/2. You have to make 1/2 equally. So 1/10 into 1/2 is equal to 1/20. So 1/20 he will take from X, and 1/2 we will. So new share, new PSR of X. X is equal to 5. The total is 8. 5/8 minus 1/20, and Y there 3, and total is 8. 3/8 minus 1/20, because equal 1/10 equally is shared, divided equally among between old partners. So equally means half you have to make of 1/10. 1/10 half we have made, it is 1/2. So here LCM you have to take, LCM will be 40, 8 5s are 40 and 5 5s are 25, minus 1 is equal to 40, and here 8 5s are 5 3s are 15, minus 22s are, here also 2. So it is 23, it is 13 upon 40, and this 1 upon 10, Z is equal to 1 upon 10, we will make it to 40. To make it 50, we will multiply by 4 here and 4 here, same. So it will become 4 upon 40. So their new PSR will be 23 x is to y is to z, 23 upon 40, 13 upon 40 and 4 upon 40. Okay. This when it is equal, we don't take it, because this is sum of the upper portion. 23 is to 13 is to 4. This could not be reduced, so this is your answer. Okay. Here what happened, just to make it 40, we have multiplied it by 4 and it by 4. Okay. A, B, C are partners. A is to B is to C are partners, and their ratio is 2 is to 1, is 2 is to 2, 2 is to 2 is to 1. Their ratio is this one, and they admitted D. They admitted D. They admitted D for 1/8 share. 1/8 share. Okay. Which he acquired entirely from A. Entirely from A. It means B and C will not sacrifice. So A's ratio, A's new PSR. New PSR. New PSR A equal to 2 upon 2 to 4 1 7 7, 2 to 4 1 5. Okay, minus 1 by 8. So it will be LCM, we will take 40, 5 8 5 8 5 8 8 to the 60, minus 8 5 the 5 is equal to 11 upon 40. A share. B share will not change, it will be 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5 we will make it into 40. How? We will make multiply by 8 both sides. Numerator and denominator, both sides we have to multiply. Equal to 8 to the 16 upon 8 5 the 40. And C, he is also not changing. We will multiply it by 8. So 8 upon 40. And D is coming for 1 upon 8. So this also we will make by multiply by 5. So 5 upon 40. So new PSR, new A is to B, A is to B, is to C is to D, equal to 11 upon 40 is to 16 upon 40 is to 8 upon 40 is to 5 upon 40. So when this is common, we leave it. Our ratio is 11 is to 16 is to 8 is to 5. And this is your answer. Okay. Now we will go to question number 5. Question number 5. P and Q are partners. P is to Q are partners, and their ratio is 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1 means 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 3. Total is 3, so 2 upon 3, 1 upon 3. So they admitted R. R is new share, new partner, and for 1/5 they are admitting, which he admitted from P and Q in the ratio of this. He has acquired in the ratio of 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2 means 1 by 3 will be given by P and 2 upon 3 will be given by Q. This 1 upon 5 he takes in the ratio of this from old partners. So this we will convert to 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 3 and reduce from P and Q. So P new share P's new share will be 2 upon 3 minus P is surrendering 1 by 3. This he is sacrificing. So here it will be 1 upon 3 will remain. And Q 1 by 3 was old. 1 minute. So 1 upon 5 we will divide in it. So 1 upon 5 into 1 by 3 A will give. A will give and B will give 1 upon 5 into 2 by 3. So A will give 1 upon 15 and B will give 2 upon 15. Now this will be reduced from the share of, this is P and Q. So P and Q. So P's new share will be 2 upon 3 minus 1 by 15 and Q, his share will be 1 upon 3 minus 2 by 15 and R, his share will be 1 by 5. So here LCM is 15. 3 5s are 15, 5 2s are 10. We divide to it 5 and whatever comes we multiply to numerator. 2 5s are 10 minus 1 is equal to 9 by 15. Then here LCM is 15. 3 we divide it, 5 comes and 5 1s are 5. 5 minus 2, it will be 3 upon 15. And here we have to make it 15, so multiply by 3, both sides, numerator and denominator. So 3 by 15 is equal to 3 by 15. So their new PSR, P is to Q is to R is equal to 9 upon 15 is to 3 upon 15 is to 3 upon 15. This is common, we leave it. 9 is to 3 is to 3. This can be reduced. 3 is to 1 is to 1. And this is your answer. Okay, in this way, because here R gets its share in the ratio, R gets its share in the ratio of 1 is to 2. So 1 is to 2 means 1 upon 3 he will get from P and 2 upon 3 he will get from Q. So 1 upon his total share is 1 upon 5. So 1 upon 5 we will bifurcate in 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 3, and this is the sacrifice portion he is getting. So that is reduced. Okay. Question number 6. A, B, C are partners. A is to B is to C are partners, and they are, question number 6, they are partner of 3 is to 2 is to 2. So 3 or 2, 6 or 2, 8 means 3 upon 8, 2 upon 8 and 2 upon 8. This is their ratio. And they admitted D. D is coming for 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5, D is coming for it, which he acquired from A, B and C in the ratio of 2 is to 2 is to 1. In the previous question it was 1 is to 2. Here he is getting it in the ratio of 2 is to 2 is to 1. It means 2 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. He gets from A, from B and C. So 1 upon 5 we have to bifurcate. So A will give 1 upon 5 into 2 by 5, and B will give 1 upon 5 into 2 by 5, and C will give 1 upon 5 into 1 by 5. So is equal to 2 upon 25, 2 upon 25 and 1 by 25. This they will give. So their new ratio, their new ratio will be A new ratio 3 upon 8 minus 2 by 25. 3 2 5 3 2 5 2 7, it is 7, 3 to 5 to 7. And coming for here, so 2 is to 2 is to 1, 2 is to 2 is to 4 एक 5. So this they will surrender is equal to 2 by 7 minus 2 by 25, and C 2 by 7 minus 1 by 25. So we will take an LCM and do it. So here LCM will be 7 into 25. 5 सत्ते 35 का 5 आता है 3, 7 दूना 14 और 3 17, 175. So when we will divide by 7, 25 will come, and 25 into 3 it becomes 75 minus. And when by 25 we will divide, 7 will come, and 7 to the 14 will come. So their ratio is 4 और 1 5, 6 और 1 7. Okay, here again LCM is 7 into 25, 175. So by 7 we will divide it, we will get 25, and this by 7 we will divide it, 25 will come, and 25 into 2 we will do, it will become 50. Then 25 we will divide it, 7 will come, and 7 into 2 it will become 14, means 36 by 175. And here again 175 will be your LCM. By 7 you will divide, 25 you will get, 25 into 2 means 50, minus by 25 you will divide it, by 25 you will get 7, minus 7 is equal to 43 by 175. And of course D, his here is D is 1 by 5. We have to make it 175. So into 175 for this, by 5 first we will divide it. So 5 3s are 15, or 5 by 35 we will multiply. So it will become 35 upon 175. So his here is 30. So A is to B is to C is to D. There is 61 by 175 is to 36 by 175 is to 43 by 175 is to 35 upon 175. So this is common, we can leave it. So their ratio 61 is to 36 is to 43 is to 35, and this is your answer. 61, 36, 43, 40, 43 and 35. Okay. Here this is the, in this ratio 2 is to 2 is to 1 they are getting. He is getting from A and B and C in the ratio of 2 is to, so 2 to 4, 1, 5. Total is coming 5. So 2 by 5, 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. Okay. Now question number 7. A and B are partners. A is to B are partners and their ratio is 3 is to 2, means 3 by 5, total is 5, and 2 by 5. There this is. They admitted C for 3 upon 7 share, which he took 2 upon 7 from A and 1 upon 7 from B. Here specifically it is given 2 upon 7, 1 upon 7 equal to 3 upon 7. So no calculation is to be done. What new ratio? New PSR. New PSR will be A 3 upon 5 minus 2 by 7. Okay, and B will be 2 upon 5 minus 1 upon 7. Okay, and C will be 3 by 7. So here we see their LCM is 35. So 5 divided divide it 7 will come, and 7 3s are 21, minus 7 divided by 5 will come, and 5 2s are 10, means 11 by 35. Here LCM is 35, 5 divided by 35, 7 will come, 7 2s are 14, minus 7 divided by 35, 5 will come. So 9 upon 35. This also you have to make 35. So you have to multiply by 5 both sides, numerator and denominator. So 5 3s are 15 upon 35. So their new PSR, A is to B is to C is equal to 11 by 35 is to 9 by 35 is to 15 by 35. So equal to this we will leave 11 is to 9 is to 15. And once you used to check also this comes to 35 or not. So because always you go on writing and sometimes something is missing. So always better after writing the ratio you check whether this is coming or not. Okay, this is your this portion is over. Now this video we are concluding. Please share this video to your friends also who cannot afford for higher coaching and tuition fees, so that they will be also benefit, and also tell them to subscribe it, and you also subscribe it for further more videos. Thank you for watching.